Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello, how are you? My name is Joseda, I am a Spanish teacher, and I welcome you to the A1 course level that you are going to start with this introductory video. In this short time, I will explain you how it works, all the course, and how you should be prepared for it. Well, first of all, I'm going to explain you that we have more than 40 units. In each one, you are going to be learning a new concept every time. These concepts are verbs, vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and many other things that are related with a language. Of course, we never forget about culture and communication. Our goal, our focus, our interest is mainly on those two things, culture and communication. So, at the beginning of every unit, you will find a video and you will get some interactive activities where you should maybe mark some words, even write some other words, or connect things, answer questions, and many other things that you are going to be seeing very easily. All of these interactive activities also include listening exercises. And at the end of the unit, you will get some more resources online where you don't have to create any account and it's totally free. We always give totally free resources online. And moreover, you will get a PDF with all the most important notes from that content, that unit that you have been learning. But, very important, please, you need a notebook, you need some paper, you need a PDF file where you can write, or you need a Word file where you can write. You need to take notes. I want you please to have a pen, a pencil, or in the laptop, or even in the phone. You can get the notes and you can start writing there. Why not? That's okay. I will prefer that you get a pencil and a pen, and even different colors like red, blue, or green, because we are going to mark and remark or put bold things that are more or less important. So this is basically studying and learning a language. We pretend to do it online. We don't pretend it to be so easy because it's not so easy, okay? It's a language. So we are going to struggle sometimes. It's going to be complicated. We won't be understanding completely everything at first. That's totally fine, no problem. I'm here for that, and I will be helping you every time, I promise, okay? I just want you to learn Spanish. So this is my goal and this is my real and honest intention. So this said, please act like a regular student. That means if you can have a space out of noise, out of other people around, other things that can catch your attention, it's not the best thing, okay? So try to get a space, relax. Maybe you can get a tiny plant like this one. You have a good light, maybe you have windows and clear light from outside, whatever is good for you, nice ventilation, good smell, and obviously order. We need to be ordered. So please, like the way we are teaching you, I want you to create a folder or to create different parts of your notebook where you are going to be dividing Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3 with their own proper names that I will be giving you, and you are going to read every time, of course. All right, and how long should it take to do a unit? Well, normally they are thought to be done in about 30-45 minutes each one. It depends about how fast you are or how well are you understanding all the concepts from that unit. Don't worry if you need a bit more of time. That's totally fine. Even myself, I will need some more time learning other languages. It's totally okay, all right? Don't rush. Don't take it as a race. This is not a race. I want you to understand and to be able to speak Spanish, okay? So that takes time, and please be focused, be paying attention. Don't worry if you have any single question, problem, doubts, confusions. That's totally normal, okay? Learning a language. But I'm here. You can text me online, you can send me an email, you can text in WhatsApp, you can go through our channel from On Spanish Line, and I will try to answer you back as fast as I can and in the best way possible. Sometimes, even during the whole unit, you will maybe need, why not, to have some more extra activities, exercise, materials, whatever. We will give it to you, okay? No problem. But so far, right now, you don't need to buy, obviously, any book or something else, okay? We will give you everything. Right, as you can see, I'm explaining you now everything in English. It won't be like that all the time. The very first videos, because we are just totally beginners, we will be speaking in English. Step by step, especially from units 7, 8, 9, you will start to see that I use less and less English until we will get to a point of non-English at all. In this course, in course A1, because we consider that in the middle of the course, you should be already okay listening and reading, understanding Spanish. In every single video, you are going to have the subtitles, so you will be understanding everything, and you can stop. You can even put lower the speed of the video, maybe like 0.5 or 0.75, whatever you want, okay? You will find that in configuration just in the bottom on the right side of the video. And please pause, okay? Stop the video if you need it. It's okay. You need to understand ideas, concepts, and maybe you are not getting 1, 2, 3 words, doesn't matter. You can always copy it and translate it with any kind of translator. Google Translator, so far, right now, is totally okay. I advise you and recommend you to use it. And for the last, but not the least, I promise you are going to have fun. This is for sure. And that's my thing. And why it is my thing? Because I'm like that. I'm always in a good humor, or I try to have a good mood. You will see during the videos, I like to make jokes, I like to play, of course, and to have fun, to be active and dynamic. You see myself moving all the time. And you will see also other teachers like Fran or Jose Olmos, that they are my colleagues in this school, but also I will introduce you people from outside of the school, like my family, my friends, or just random people that I want you to see, to listen, or to understand while they are speaking. Great. Don't forget, please, to subscribe to all our channels in social media. The first one that I recommend you is YouTube. Of course, look for On Spanish Line, subscribe, click on the bell, please, so you will get all notifications, and every single week you will have a new video about Spanish. By the way, on YouTube, you will see many of the videos that you are seeing in this course, but not the other ones that we give, obviously, as an extra content for our learners. And that content is very important, trust me. So, how long should I take, Joseda, doing this course? Well, this depends on you, right? But we are talking that more or less every single week, of course, every single week, you should practice your Spanish. At least 1 unit a week, at least, okay? I would recommend you to practice your Spanish 15, 20, 30 minutes every single day, 7 days a week. If you can't do that, I understand that, you can maybe make it in 4 or 5 days a week and more time. Let's say 45 to 1 hour. You can listen to music, you can read text, you can look for words in the dictionary, you can do many things, okay? Not just studying Spanish. It's okay to study, of course, you will need that. But you are going to do the main thing with us, and we will give you some more resources to practice during the whole week if you want. If you feel like you could go quick, why not? You can do 1 unit per day. That's totally fine. So this will depend on you. Normally, we are talking about 1, 2, 3, 4 months for the A1 course. If you are getting 6 months, if you are getting 1 year, that's totally fine. No rush, okay? No problem. The most important thing is that you are understanding everything. And if you don't, here I am, all right? I'm gonna help you. I want you to learn Spanish. Please, as you can see, I love teaching Spanish. This is my passion, and don't hesitate in contact me every time you need it, all right? I want you really to understand, to learn, to practice, to improve your Spanish. I pretty much have students from everywhere around the world, and I know most of them, they travel, maybe it's your case, to Spain for a week, for a month, for 2 months. They even have a second residence in Spain, where they go maybe half a year or 4 months, 5 months a year, or they even live in Spain. Some of them, they need to have an official DELE exam, which, by the way, I am an examiner because I work with Cervantes Institute. If you need help with that, please ask me. And some others, they even need the nationality or the residence. To get the nationality in Spain, you will need 2 exams. For that things, please ask by email, and you will get all the info available that we can give to you. All right, thank you so much. I'm really happy that you join us. Please enjoy our community, enjoy all the content that we have, and don't forget to subscribe to our different social media. Do it right now, please, so you don't forget that. And let's start. You can already start with the unit 1. Go for it.